Are you looking for a fun change in your everyday morning coffee? Why not try a cup of Americano coffee, otherwise called Cafe Americano? In our previous video, we explained what an Americano coffee is. In this video, we are going to show you how to make Americano coffee. If you haven't seen our Americano coffee video, you can find the link in our description below. Americano coffee is a type of coffee that contains 1 shot of espresso drink filled with hot water in the ratio 1/3 espresso to 2/3 water. What you'll need: 1. Espresso machine. 2. Espresso coffee beans. 3. Coffee grinder. 4. Weighing scale. 5. Hot water. 6. Espresso tamper. Here's how to make an Americano coffee. Step 1. Get your coffee beans. For a perfect Americano coffee drink, you need to get the best espresso coffee beans. You can use any other coffee beans, but you won't get the typical espresso taste. This is because the brewing process removes the flavors of the coffee beans into your drink. This is amplified whether you use good quality coffee beans or not. Step 2. Measure your coffee beans. Using the weighing scale, measure 14 to 18 grams of coffee beans. This will make 2 shots of espresso, which is the recommended quantity. Step 3. Grind your espresso beans. It is important you use a high-grade grinder to finely grind your espresso beans. This makes a good espresso. Using a less fine coffee ground to make the Americano coffee drink changes the taste and flavor of the Americano coffee. After grinding the espresso beans, measure again to be sure you are using the correct quantity of coffee grounds. Step 4. Tamping the grounds. Tamping is a very important procedure in the making of an Americano coffee. If your machine does not automatically tamp grounds, you will do it yourself manually. It is a fun and very relaxing process. Just apply gentle but even pressure to the coffee grounds. Step 5. Making the espresso shot. Place the tamped portafilter into its spot in your espresso machine. Follow the instructions of the espresso machine you have and brew as many shots of espresso that you desire. Step 6. Add hot water. After brewing your espresso shots, it is time to make your Americano coffee drink. The ideal temperature of water to use is between 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour 2 parts water to a 1 part espresso shot. There has been argument about whether to pour the espresso shots into water or pour water into espresso. Some say that pouring water into espresso burns the coffee, or spoils the crema formed during espresso brewing and changes the taste of your Americano in the process. You can try both methods and make a choice depending on your preference. However, the differences between both are insignificant. There you have it. Your Americano coffee is ready. You can serve it black or add sugar and cream for a creamy sugary taste. If you do not have an espresso machine in your home, you can use any of these alternative coffee brewing methods, though they do not give the typical espresso goodness. These brewing methods include: 1. The AeroPress. 2. Nespresso machine. 3. Moka Pots espresso maker. You can also watch our video on how to make an AeroPress coffee. Kindly find the link in the description below. Did you find this video helpful? Subscribe to our channel below and turn on your notifications so you'll know once we post a new video. Also drop a comment so we can know your thoughts and check the description for more details. Visit our website, zimcoffee.com, for more awesome coffee content like this. Thank you.